let us solve this question. It's an example. A 10 picofarad parallel plate capacitor is charged by a 12 voltage potential difference battery. Then disconnected from the battery, then a material which at dielectric constant 6 is inserted fills the space between them. Calculate stored charge in plates. Order 2, capacitance with inserting dielectric on the third order is potential difference. Please pay attention to me. To solve any questions like this, first of all, we should obtain the given from the same question. C represent the capacitance, 10 picofarad, and delta V is 12. K, the dielectric constant, 6. We have a capacitor with two conductive plates separated by a vacuum. Its capacitance is 10 picofarad. Of course, you must transform this value to a farad, from picofarad to a farad. And this capacitor is connected to a battery of 12 voltage. The difference voltage between the two plates now is 12 voltage. And then we disconnect the battery and we insert a dielectric material, K equals 6 for it, between the two plates. Now the capacitance should be increased. It's changed. Okay. First of all, to solve any questions like this, we should write down the given. When we write down the given, now the first order is Q. Q refers to the stored charge in the plates. Order 2, C sub K. C sub K is the capacitance of the capacitor after we put the dielectric material between the two plates. The third order is delta V sub. Note that wherever we find sub K, that means a dielectric material inserted between the two plates. Okay? Now, to find Q, we use the relation Q equal to C, the capacitance, times delta V, the difference voltage between the two plates. Q equal C is 10 picofarad. We must multiply this amount by 10 to power minus 12. Okay, times delta V equal 12 volt. Now the resultant is 12 times 10 to power minus 11 coulomb. This is the solution of the first order. Is it obvious؟
استاذ لازم نحول واذا بدنا
لا هاي بعدين. The second order, to find C sub K, we use the relation C sub K equal K times C. C sub K, the capacitance after inserting the material, K, the dielectric constant, C, the capacitance of the capacitor before inserting the dielectric material. Therefore, we say K6 times C. C is 10 to 11 equal 6 times 10 to power minus 11, and the unit is farad. The third order, to find delta V sub K, it's equal Q over C sub K. Q equal 12 times 10 to power minus 11 to C sub K 6 times 10 to minus 11. We can in the numerator we have 10 to power minus 11, and in the denominator also we find 10 to power minus 11. We can simplify these, and the resultant is 2 volt. This question says parallel plate capacitor, distance between plates 0.5 centimeter. Both plates are square and each side is 10 centimeter. There is a vacuum between them. Calculate the first command or the first order amount of capacitance. Second order is charge after applying 10 volt. How we can find question like this? First of all, as we know, we must write down the given. The given is D equal 0.5 centimeter from the question. The distance between plates 0.5 centimeter. L equal 10 centimeter. And each side is 10 centimeter. Okay. First order, the capacitance, C. The second order, the charge, when we apply a difference voltage equal to 10 volts. Now, is there any difficulty to obtain the given? I think it's so easy. Okay. To solve this question, we should use the relation C equal epsilon naught A over D. C, the capacitance of the capacitor, A, the area of the plates, and D, the distance between the two conductive plates. Epsilon naught must be memorized, equal 8.85 times 10 to power minus 12, okay, coulombs square over Newton per meter square. But where is the area? Area, the plates are square. Therefore, we should find the area of square equal L square. L is 0.1 square equal 0.01 meter square. Now, we prepare everything to use this relationship. Therefore, we say C equal 8.85 times 10 to power minus 12 times A 0.01 divided by D. D is equal to 0.5 times 10 to power minus 2. C equal we can simplify between the numerator and denominator, and the resultant is 1.77 times 10 to the power minus 11 farad. And to find the second order, Q, the charge, equal C times delta V. C is equal to 1.77 times to 10 to the power minus 11 times to V. V is equal to 10 volt. The resultant is 1.77 times 10 to the power minus 10, and the unit is coulomb.